This is the only 1 minute scalping strategy you shall ever need. As you all know, we are using market structure, support and resistance, pullbacks, areas of confluence. In today's video, we are going to learn about the break and retest strategy. So we are going to start with our market structure, that is identifying the higher highs, higher lows, and the lower lows and the lower highs. In this case, we are having an uptrend, so we are going to identify this higher high, this previous higher high, and then this lower higher low. We are going to mark out this higher high here, and then this higher high at this point here. So on this higher high, the market created a new higher high, and that is giving us our breakout. So you're having a breakout here, and then we are getting this market pulling back here into this area of resistance here that was turned into support. Here this market was respecting this zone as resistance. As we got this breakout here, this area of resistance is being turned into a zone of support. As you all know that buyers are always coming from support. So here we are getting our pullback in form of a minor downtrend, retesting this zone here that was turned into support. So here we are having resistance, support, support, support. So meaning the market is going to be continuing in an uptrend. Okay, so here we are having our retest at this point here. So that's how we are coming up with our breakout and retest strategy here. So here, when the market has retested this previous zone that was turned into support, that is giving us our area of confluence, because we are having very many confluences that are aligning from this zone here. So we are saying that the sellers are respecting this zone, so we're expecting buyers to step in. So we need to see the buyers taking control of the market again. So with these candles here, we are seeing these sellers approaching this support zone here. They're giving us a rejection. Using our price action, we need to see the buyers taking out this candle to show us that they're back in control again. So we are seeing that this candle here, this bullish candle, is taking out the body of the buyers. So this would indicate that the buyers have taken control again. So with that, you're going to be taking your buys on the closure of this candle. Then your stop loss is going to be below your area of confluence, below these wicks here, not on the wicks, but just a few pips away from the wicks. Then for your take profit, you're going to aim for the previous higher highs. That is our 1 minute scalping strategy. For more of these breakdowns, subscribe, and you can visit our website at forexhash.com if you want to learn more of these strategies. See you in the next one.